Shall we start, beta? How was your exams? Next, what exam you are having? Exam over? Hmm. Then we will study full syllabus. We are going to finish in that day, okay? Yes, we are going to start questions. Come on, start solving the question, please. We will start with these questions. I will solve the questions. You need to just start solving the questions. Just check this one out. What is the question here? The first question is this one. Come on, start solving the question. Yes, Jivitan. Jotam, how was the exams? Was that everything okay? Where that much sound creating means echo will go. Science was easy. Okay. Maths only you need to work hard more. Correct? Now we will start working. Okay. Huh? Christmas there is no leave for 10th class. Christmas there is no leave. I gave you enough time to do this question. So the first answer is given a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter. So focal length of a concave mirror is given, and what is the focal length of the concave mirror? 20 centimeter. After that they told yes, already solved. Super. So concave length forming twice the size. This question we have already solved. And this part also we have already solved. Most of the question till where we have solved? Question up to 10 we have solved. Yes, the linear magnification produced. This question also we have done, na? That linear magnification produced part we have done. So we are going to solve some questions. One extra question I'm giving you, but before that you solve it. Okay, now check this one out. So linear magnification question, wait, just 1 minute. Yes. So now assertion reason question also I will give you. Now come on, solve this question. I think linear magnification question, type of mirror, this question also we have solved now. Now we will go for this one. This one also over. Okay. Question number 12 we will go means go. 11. Go for it please. Yes. Now go for this question please. We did not did this question at least. It is ratio. Very good. Next question you solve. That is the magnification question, na? Is it done? This question also done? Refractive index question, this also done, na? Okay, we'll solve next question. Try this question out. See, I am giving you the total question of previous question. Now, something is missing in this question. So, I am going to give you the total question. Now, look here. Now, I am going to give you the total question. What is the unit of refractive index? If not, why? I told you how we are going to solve the questions. What is the unit of refractive index? Since refractive index is in ratio, it does not have any unit. So, its ratio part is not having any unit. So, if not, why? Now complete the following ray diagram by showing the path. Now when I am drawing the ray diagram, you have to complete the path. Got it? So now how the path will be, I am just drawing it. You need to finish this one up. Please kindly check this one out. So this is exactly going, hey, don't talk in between. This is there. Now listen, this is dotted line. Jotam. Now you have to finish it. You have to complete this part. This is turpentine oil. Turpentine oil. One very bad news. 10th got very less marks in test. Now here kerosene. Kerosene and then alcohol. Okay. Now you need to complete it. So here N1 is coming as 1.47. N2 is coming as 1.36 and N3 is coming as 1.44. Okay. Come on, go for it. You need to complete it. Since it is ratio of equal quantities, now you need to show that will it bend towards the normal? Will it go away from normal? What and all are the scenarios we need to check? Okay. Come on, go for it, please. See, maths paper will not be easy. You need to understand that. And maths paper, how you people have written was very, very disappointing also. Some just wrote the question 3 times. That was the scenario. Hey, see, turpentine to kerosene. Can you see the value is exactly the refractive index is reduced. So refractive index reduced means will it bend towards the normal or away from the normal? No, it will bend towards the normal. So from here to here, refractive index is reduced. So here, that means optical density is coming here more. And understood not? So here you need to understand. See, it was supposed to go like this. Got it? Now here you see, turpentine oil refractive index is 1.47. Alcohol refractive index is 1.36. And last one, kerosene refractive index is 1.44. So when these three values you are going to take away, that time it will bend towards normal. Understood? It will bend towards normal. So here this will exactly go towards normal. Like this it will go. Understood or not? Now this and this we need to be checked. Got it? It was supposed to go like this, but it is bending towards normal, and after that it will exactly it is making as R, and this is exactly making as R, and this angle is exactly going away like this. So it is making what? Angle E. So note down please here, draw this one out, because refractive index again slightly changing. So 147, wait, 147, here I wrote one thing, 144 and 136. 136. So it will be slightly bending, and then it will be 147, 1.44 and then 1.36. Okay. So denser to rarer medium, for that only. Denser to rarer medium, for that only. Now can you close that? Sound is coming too much. So now look here. So this part we are going to write. Now we will go for the next question. Get ready for the next question, children. Get ready for the next one, please. Okay. Get ready for the next question. So now we are going to go for the next question. Solve it. Try, I'm moving. Read the question very nicely. For the same angle of incidence in media, hey, angle of incidence is same. Media is P, Q and R. The angle of refraction are 45 degree, 35 degree and 15 degree. Angle of refraction is 45 degree, 35 degree and 15 degree. Come on, go for this question, please. I don't know. Try this question, please. Can I solve? You want to try? At least try and say me the answer. Online children, try one time this question. After that, I will solve the question. See, beta, what is the biggest clue is they did not give 45 degree value, 15 degree value. But did you check this one thing that they gave sine 45 degree and sine 30 degree. So these two things value they have given 45 degree and 30 degree value they have given. Okay, 45 and 33 degree value they have given. Try these questions out. See, board exam question paper will not be easy. It will be very lengthy. You need to learn how to solve the questions. So be very specific for solving these type of questions. More typical questions today I am going to give you. So the session will be very, very high. Mini, median, R. Okay, whatever you are thinking, you do it. Max, medium, P. Okay, go for it. Okay, medium R, the velocity will be less and maximum is for P. Good. Next one answer say. Correct, correct, Mukundan. Yes, only. See, for the same angle of incidence in medium. So, how many mediums are there? First, you check this one out. For the same angle, now I am solving the question, please check everyone. For the same angle of incidence in medium P, Q and R, the angle of refractions are 45 degree, 35 degree and 15 degree. 45 degree, 35 degree and 15 degree. So these 3 degrees are there. So first what we are going to do, we know that Snell's law is what? Snell's law is giving us sin I by sin R. So first we are going to write Snell's law is what? Sin I by sin R. That is Snell's law. So sin I by sin R and that will be equal to N. Done? Correct. So we also know that when you are writing sin I by sin R, C is the velocity of light in air and V is the velocity in medium. Understood? So C will be, can we write it as air by medium? Correct? Air by medium. Now beta keep on writing the values. What and all values will come? Sin 15 by what and all values, given values will be what? So what they are telling that which light, first part is in which, see, in which medium will the velocity of light be minimum? which medium the velocity of light will be minimum? PQR. So angle is very less now. So velocity of light will be minimum in sine R. Sorry, R. Understood? In medium R, since R angle is very less. So since angle is less means it's what you call, yes. So here velocity is in which medium will the velocity be? Because angle is coming very less. So velocity is very less. Understood? It will bend towards the normal more. Understood? So since it is bending towards normal more, so 100 because incident angle remains the same. So incident angle remains the same. So here the medium is 45 degree, 35 degree and 15 degree. The one who is having the minimum degree will have minimum velocity. So minimum velocity will be minimum velocity, because we know now कि sin I by sin R that is directly proportional. Sin R will be directly proportional to V. You need to write down this one. But presentation is most important. Listen, you cannot write anything on its own. You need to write it very nicely. Got it? So here sin I by sin R, how to write a perfect answer is very important. You know the content but you don't know how to write it. That's also problem. So how we are going to write? We know that n is refractive index. So when you are writing, n is equal to sin I by sin R, and that is velocity of light in air by velocity of light in vacuum. So since incident angle remains the same, so sin I is same for everything. So since incident angle remains the same, incident angle remains the same, sin R is directly proportional to V. Sin R is what? Directly proportional to V. So when angle, so R is what? Degree. Degree will impact the velocity. So angle theta greater, velocity will be more. So here theta less means velocity will be less. Theta greater, velocity more. Theta less, velocity less. So here theta 15 degree for medium R. Therefore, velocity is minimum. Theta is equal to 45 degree for medium T. Therefore, velocity is maximum. So velocity is minimum and maximum. Did you got that? When velocity will be minimum and when velocity will be maximum. But till here done na. Now next give reason for your answer. Yes, wrote now. We written already. Now next part of the question, when light enters from air to glass, write nicely. This part question is very important. Now just check this one out. They're telling that when light enters from air to glass, the angle of incident air and glass are 45 degree and 30 degree. So what is refractive index? Direct formula. B part is direct formula. What is N is refractive index, and that is sin I by sin R. And beta, what is I? Incident angle here is 45 degree. Incident angle is equal to 45 degree and refracted angle is 30 degree. So this will become sin 45 degree by sin 30 degree. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So it will become how much beta? 1 by root 2 into 2 by 1. So it will become 2 root 2 by 2. So root 2 means 1.414. What is the answer coming? 1.414. And that is the correct answer. And this is the previous question answer here. Just space was not there. So I wrote theta is equal to, second part answer is coming after solving sin I by sin R. Sin I by sin R, I got value 1.4 by 4 because I was 45 degree or 30 degree, right? 45 degree and down is 30 degree. So 45 by 30 degree, absolutely correct. 45 by 30 degree. I hope you might have understood. Monkeys, stop playing like that. We'll go for next question, please. Ready? Now go for state the law of refraction of light. Explain the term absolute refractive index of medium and write an expression to relate it with speed of light in vacuum. This question, how you are going to relate and write, that is very, very important. Come on, check. I want to check your answers. So if it's possible, can you send me the answers, please? Just write and send me the answers. Very good. Jasmita has given one answer. Jasmita, which question? Which question answer? Previous question answer you have given. Very good, Jasmita. That I received your previous question answer, Jasmita. Can you give me this question? Hey, children, I will check what you are writing. So write to the point because I need to teach you how to write perfect. Just write the perfect answer and show me first. I don't want to know. Give a perfect answer and give me, please. Yes, correct only. Correct only. Absolutely correct. Come on, go for it. I want to know the answer, please. Whenever you write refractive index, you write refractive index of second media with respect to first media. Correct only. So when you are writing sin I by sin r, Snell's law, definitely A. Yes. So that you have to write now. That you have to write. I want to read. Mahalakshmi has sent me the answer. I'm checking. Sin I by sin r is equal to constant. That's absolutely correct, beta. That's not question. I want a very perfect, well-designed answer. For that only, I'm reading the first answer I have received. The first answer received is law of refraction of light, the normal refracted ray, incident ray, and ray in the same plane. That answer is not so better. I am not getting that. Next one is the absolute refractive index of medium with respect to air. Anyone else who wants to give the perfect answer? Huh. See, when you are solving these type of questions, when you are writing this type of question, this is already CBSE 2018 question. Okay. So when such questions already you know that they have coming, they came already in board exam, then how to, so what is the law of refraction of light? Angle of incidence, angle of refraction and normal. So same, all will lie on the same plane. Understood? Same media or same plane. Understood? So here that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 is the power, that is the velocity of light in air. Understood? The velocity of light in air is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Yeah, only 8 students are not there, 40 students are there. Right now 8 is present. Sorry for that. 45 actually. Vishwa today not there. Yes. So shall we go for the next one, please? So now better look here. Whenever absolute refractive index you are talking about, so when the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to vacuum or air, that means any medium will be there with respect to air, means air will be one of the medium, then only what we are calling it as absolute refractive index. Understood or not? So absolute refractive index. Why, ma'am, why do we calculate virtual images? Virtual images, you are standing in front of a mirror, you are not important. Huh? Understood. That's the answer. What does not exist is exist. Understood. So that is exactly called as illusion, optical illusion. So you need to understand this is exactly the meaning of optical illusion. So learn it properly. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on, children. Are you ready for it? So object distance. So you are not going inside the mirror. You are not going inside the mirror. That does not mean that the mirror is not existing. The object distance will be equal to image distance. How much you are going far, near, it is exactly changing. So only virtual images are important. That's it. I rest my case. So now we are going to go for the next question. Are you all ready for the next question, children? Very good. Come on, go for it. Find the absolute refractive index of medium in which light travel with a speed of 1.4 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. And your time starts now. Come on, solve it on your own. Come on, go for it. How do absolute refractive index of medium in which light travel with the speed of this? So definitely the speed is, what is the speed of light? Speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. But in the medium, how much it is traveling with? 1.4 into 10 to the power 8. So now we are knowing that, understand or not? So now you are knowing that how it is exactly going to be. Just check this one out. This will come like this. So you know that Snell's law, you write here the refractive index will be, yes, answer is coming as 2.1, okay, 2.14 approximated. Let me solve this question beta. So here you know that speed of light, refractive index is equal to speed of light in any medium, air, speed of light in, because absolute told na. So absolute means speed of light in air by speed of light in medium. So we'll write directly here speed of light in air by speed of light in medium. I checked many people answered, their answers were not so apt. Speed of light in air by speed of light in medium. Speed of light in medium. So speed of light in air by speed of light in, hi Prajita, Prajita, hi. So now speed of light in air by speed of light in medium. So now speed of light in air will be what? 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Speed of light in medium is 1.4 into 10 to the power 8. So this got cancelled. So it will come 30 by 14. So here 2 sevens are 15. So how much it will come? 2.14 is the answer. So 2.14 approximated refractive index is this. Understood not? So this is the approximated refractive index. Was this question? Now I'm giving you one question because many people asked me question. So now I'm going to ask, they asked me why it is needed to, listen, why it is needed to talk about virtual images. Now I'm going to ask one question from all of you. Get ready, write the question. How do we distinguish a medium to a rarer or denser? How do we distinguish a medium? How do we distinguish a medium? How do we distinguish a medium? How do we distinguish a medium to be rarer or denser? So when you are asking me question, I can bounce back and ask you question. So how do we distinguish? You answer, no problem. How do we distinguish a medium to be rarer or denser? Very easy question I have asked. So you can answer my question. Very, very easy question I have asked. How do we distinguish the medium? How do we distinguish the medium? Depends upon refractive index, speed of light. Depends upon refractive index and speed of light. Let's see. Depends upon diffractive index, speed of light. How can we? Bending of light. We can talk about bending of light, first thing. Second is, yeah, comparing its absolute refractive index. See, yeah, we can say like that. So first is based on bending of light. Based on bending of light. Sin I by sin R means refractive index. So second answer, absolute answer will be given by, where are you from? I'm from Chennai right now. So now look here. Yes, Prajita. So now listen. So I hope you might have understood this one, na? Listen, hey. I hope you might have understood this one. If somebody will be asking you, so first answer is okay, I will be answering it with the help of bending. Second is refractive index, because change in medium will change things. So since change in medium will change things, so definitely this is exactly going to be the correct answer. Yes, that's the question and that's the answer. Understood. Now I'm going to ask you another question. Yes, that's the most important question. And you know what? This question already came in examination. So we will be answering questions based on this only. And your time starts now. Go for it, please. This is a very good question. Come on, go for it, please. Yeah, correct. No problem. Next live tomorrow morning. Right now, live will be continuously going. See, I asked a very simple question. This is not at all a rocket science. A simple question where you have to answer the question. Check first how many people are online right now. Blessing, what is the next examination for you? See, a very simple question is, ma'am, diagram. You will make diagram or I will make diagram? First you say. Yes, that's the correct answer. It will bend away from the normal. Yes. English. For English, most of the people are absent. Super, super. Yes. Now look at. So now you will be checking this question. Now I am going to check. A ray of light is incident on an interference separating diamond and water. So definitely diamond versus water. Means after going inside diamond, the ray is exactly going to water. So after diamond, it is going towards water. So when it is going from diamond to water, just check this one out. Is it a very tough question? So this is exactly normal. This is going inside diamond. Understand not? So once it will go inside diamond, that means it will make what? It will make angle of incidence. So this medium is medium diamond. Understood? This is what? Diamond. Now if this is diamond, and here it is water, so will it bend away or bend towards? It will bend away, because bend away because diamond air to diamond. Why? Directly I will take from diamond to water, na? Why I am going to take air and then diamond and this? Directly I will write that. Why we are going to waste time? Directly will write. It will bend away. Understood? So this angle of refraction is exactly. So I will be lesser than R. That we can say. I will be lesser than R. That's it. I will be lesser than R. I will be lesser than R. That's the only content we need to check. I will be lesser than R. That's the only thing we are going to write. Now we'll go for the next question. Are you all ready for the next question? Please get ready. Some very typical questions also I'm going to ask because see, Snail's law and all these type of questions, most of the time problems are there. People are having misconceptions, so most questions we will solve from here. Electricity, most unwanted questions we will solve, so that any unwanted questions they will ask Miss, first we will be the unwanted people who will solve this. Okay, so go for this. Next question, beta. With respect to air, the refractive index of ice is 1 point. I don't know. Beta, with respect to air, the refractive index of ice is 1.31. Come on, go for it. With respect to air, the refractive index of ice is 1.31. So what we will write, beta? With respect to air, the refractive index of ice. So in shortcut way, how we are going to write? With respect to air, the refractive index of ice is 1.31. Done? Till here it is okay? After that, what they are telling that, and that of rock salt is 1.54. So rock salt with respect to air to rock salt is 1.54. Done. Calculate the refractive index of rock salt with respect to air or ice. Ice, na? Okay, go for it. That means we need to take ice to rock salt. Because we write now refractive index of rock salt with ice. So ice will come first, rock salt will go down at the time of writing. That's most important. So we write like this only. But you be very careful for writing because that time little bit mistake also will be. Yeah, super. Very good. Very good. Super. So here it will become what? Air to rock salt, air to ice. So air to rock salt is 1.54. Air to ice is this, cancel. So approximated answer is coming as 1.18. Absolutely correct. Approximated answer is 1.18. Super. Kishore, finish, beta? Yeah, give me. I'll put staple and we'll do it. Okay, again, thank you, beta. So tomorrow, I think day after tomorrow, one more exam. Continuously this month exam will be there, and some winter break means extra classes I'm aligning. Okay, so online MCQ questions will be there, but 5 mark question will be offline. You need to come. Okay, bye. Yeah, my name is Kushbu. Someone told me to introduce myself. I'm MSc holder, state ranker. After that, what should I say? Right now, I'm doing PhD in mathematics. Huh? I'm a mathematician. Yeah, I'm the founder and managing director of Amaya Coaching Center. Huh? Yeah, only this much. Huh? I'm constructing one temple. I'm teaching in Blessing School as a higher secondary. Anything else I left? Winter break, no holiday. All 45 students should be here. Yeah, this is my only introduction. I cleared CTET exam. Last year I got one national award and one Kuti Saiva award. for teaching. I started my teaching career with 1 rupees, 150 rupees. Yes. No problem. Yeah. Till now, 4 awards I got. No problem. You can come. Can I listen? Shall we start our work, please? Now, come on, go for the next question, please. This is over. And this is the question. Come on, go for it, children. This question belongs to you people. Come on, come on, come on. You can do this question, please. No, you have to pay. My manager will not leave you. CBSE 2020 question. The refractive index of a medium X with respect to Y is 2 by 3. Okay. That is NXY. Refractive index of a medium X with respect to Y is 2 by 3. We will write like that. That is NXY is equal to 2 by 3. With see, the refractive index of a medium X with respect to Y. We can write Y by X also, no? That is not a problem. Okay, it will get cancelled also. Okay. Thank you, beta. Bless you. So now look here. Second part is the refractive index of medium Y with respect to Z. Refractive index of medium Y with respect to Z is 4 by 3. So calculate the refractive index of medium Z with respect to Y. So that means what? See, when you are writing X with respect to Y, we are writing XY. Correct now? ZY they are asking. How we are going to write Z with respect to X? So we will write, check this one out, medium XY into YZ into ZX equal to what? Because medium keeps on changing. So here, when this formula you are using, please see, listen, when you are using formula, please focus. See, understand one thing, कि when you are exactly going from one medium to another medium, from there to another medium, so you changed how many mediums? You changed X to Y, Y to Z, and Z to X. So that means what? From where you started, you went to that medium again. So that means what? The total refractive, the multiple of the total refractive index will become 1. So here it will become equal to 1. You write down this formula. Started from where? The refractive index started from where? X to Y. Then Y to Z. And then Z to X. So multiple of everything will become equal to 1. So what will be the answer? Absolute Maha. So this is exactly coming as 2 by 3 into 3, 4 by 3 into NZX is equal to 1. So what answer will be coming? But what answer we are expecting? It will become 9 by 8. So first part of the answer we got. Easily we got first part of the answer. I hope you might have got this. So this is CBSE 2020 question. You remember. Now, beta, what is the next question they are asking? Sophia, after long I am seeing your name. Okay. Welcome back, madam. So now look here. Ashwita is understood not? Asvita is now look here. Let the speed, we are going to go for the next question. Hey, if the speed of light of medium X is, calculate the speed of light in medium Y. So if the speed of medium, what we will do now, beta, just listen. We'll do if the refractive index of medium Z with respect to X we have done. If the speed of medium X is, we are going to write here, answer is not given. Let's take it as nothing given means we can take it as air. Okay. So medium X speed, if we are writing egg, monkey, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So what will be the speed of medium in Y? Come on, go for it. Come on, go for it. Come on, do and solve this question. Always we are putting in our status all the time schedules and everything. This is 10th class, beta. Right now we are solving the refractive index of light, physics part. Come on, say the answer, yeah. So sin IB, see what they are asking here. They are telling that yes, I got one answer. What are they asking now? 2 into 10 to the power 8. By what? Why beta? Because they told that x is air. X I have taken as air. So calculate the speed of light because x by y is 2 by 3. Understood? So x by y is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 will be equal to how much beta? So 2 by 3 will be equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second by another medium. Another medium will be y. We don't know. What is the another medium? The velocity will be writing. The velocity of the other medium can be taken as whatever we are going to write. So v will be equal to 9 into 10 to the power 8 by 2. Is it correct? Hey, check this one nicely. Still I am telling you 9 by 2, 4.5. It is very high, yaar. Come on. 2 by 3 is there. Check that one. Here 2 by 3 is there. Is this correct first? Check first. X by y. So this will go ulta na. Hey. With respect to that, we are writing should be taken 4 by 3. Yes, opposite it will come na. Barometrics means what? So now look here. This is exactly going to be 2 by 3. So if I am writing here refractive index with one with respect to the other one, that will become 3 into 10 to the power 8 by velocity. So velocity is equal to 3 will go up. So here it will come 3 by 2 is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8. Directly it will come, yeah. This and this will get cancelled. Velocity is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Nothing was there in the question. Understood or not? So here, yes. No, you're not going. Oh, Baramati. I'll check today. So this is exactly, Baramati. We'll go for the next question. Please get ready. Yeah, I'll check it. We'll go for the next question and your time starts now. Light enter from air to water having a refractive index 4 by 3. Find the speed of light in water. Ayo. Without solving, we can say. Without solving, we can say, find the speed. Now, you can, without solving, you can say the answer. Now, can you say what is the answer? Yes, I'm getting your answers, beta. Oh. Beta, in that question, na, what was there is from one medium to another medium, speed is exactly changing. Correct, na? So when we are writing air to water, got it? X to Y. So here the medium was 1 by, previous question, beta, one child is having problem. So now look here. It was exactly coming from 1 by n x y. So it is what is x? X is exactly taken as air. Okay. So here air will be exactly whenever you write like this, na refractive index. At the time when we are refracting 1 by this, means here it will become velocity in air by velocity in medium. So that medium we don't know. Medium was y. Okay. And velocity of 1 by this part is given value as 1, 2 by 3. And here velocity of air we know that 3 into 10 to the power 8 by velocity in medium beta. So that was the formula beta. So 3 will go up. So 3 by 2 is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 by velocity in another medium. So this 3 left side, right side will cancel. So velocity will go and multiply with 1. It will become 2 into 10 meter per second. Understood? Because Yes, I repeated beta. So this is exactly velocity part. Okay, I'll check this. Yes, all the materials and all the things are available in our group. You can check that one. Hmm. Fine. Shall we go for the next question? This is the question, beta. Hey, light enter from air to water. Refractive index is 4 by 3. So what we can write? C by B answer are directly given 4 by 3. Now what we are going to write? 4 by 3. What is the speed of light in air? 3 into 10 to the power 8. So that is speed of light in air by speed of light in medium. So 4 by 3 is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, because C is velocity of light in air. So 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So velocity in medium part will become 3 cancel. 3 into 3 9 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second by 4. So how much it will become? Velocity will become 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. That's it. 2.25. Yes, both are going on. 2 in 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is exactly the medium part. Shall we? Okay. So we have finished till here. Shall we go for the next question? Are you ready? Okay, one more question can I ask from all of you? Time up. Okay, I'll ask from biology some questions. Get ready. Ama. Okay, the kidney in human being are part of the system for excretory system. Okay. Huh? Hiccups are coming because you have to get ready for getting my beatings. Okay. Understand? Okay, fine. Excretory system is correct answer. Now, can you sit there silently? Sit there. Okay. Can you differentiate what is the difference between arteries and veins? Okay, Sayed. Nice to meet you. Hey, what is the difference between arteries and veins? Very good. The pulmonary arteries and pulmonary veins are there. So arteries carry oxygenated blood and veins carry deoxygenated blood. Arteries are having valves or veins are having valves? Come on, veins are having valves. Very good. So why valves are there? What is the need of valves? Very good. So you need to understand one thing, hey, arteries and veins, if somebody will be asking you, you need to answer that arteries are carrying oxygenated blood and veins are carrying deoxygenated blood. Arteries are exactly not having valves, but veins are having valves. What is the speciality of veins are? They prevent the backflow of blood, always allows the blood to go in one specific direction. Understood or not? So yes, that's the most important part. Now, next question I need to ask. Yes. Where is lenticles located? Lentils. Lentils. Absolutely correct. And what is the specific work? It is presented in bark of tree, not in human body. Seriously. Yes, this is present in bark of tree. Actually, human, they have nostrils for what you call allowing air to come in and go out. Sit there. They have exactly what? They have, wait. Beta, can you keep these question papers with you? Hey, hey, you take this question paper, give it to Vendan also. Hey, take this question paper. For making samosa. Pakkana beta, come near me, after that I'll tell you. Samosa will be on your head. Hey, class is not over. Okay, now listen, next question. Okay, we are going to keep it till here.